Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to review this microwave today that I bought. It's been almost a year. After a year, I'm doing this review. And you see, the model number for this is 2016 MTBX. And it has pretty much good functions over here. You see, power. यहाँ पे medium है. You can do medium, defrosting, low, high, and this is very high. Medium high and super high. And you can do grilling, you can do combi 2, combi 3 जिसमें microwave और heater दोनों on होगा, and this is for minute. So the best thing is you open this. यहाँ पे जो है it's very clean, it's very nice, these things work very nice. यहाँ पे heater. So for example if you turn this on और इसको अगर मैं सेट करता हूँ grill में and I switch it on, it will not work like this until it's switched off. I mean, दरवाजा तो बंद नहीं होता है, so दरवाजा बंद करते उसके बाद देखते क्या होता है. So ये दरवाजा बंद हो गया है, and now see it's the grilling portion जो है, it will show up heating. See it's turning red. अगर आप वहाँ पर देखोगे तो उसमें क्या होता है, even if you put steel plate, उसमें कोई खाना है तो even with the steel plate it will work, it will not like burn out like the other microwave, because this is microwave and griller. I bought this for a very cheap rate, $4,500 I only paid for this. They're showing for more. So कभी कभी Amazon से अच्छा चीज़ भी मिल जाता है. It came in a one shot and it's worked fantastic. See, now I'm going to open this and you will see it's red. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इसमें केक नहीं बन सकता. केक बनेगा तो नीचे का जो पोर्शन है कच्चा रह जाएगा. For this you need a microwave. So thank you so much once again for watching my review. Thank you and you have a nice day.